Hi, recording yourself can be a great way to improve your English fluency. By recording yourself, I don't just mean to record your voice but also to record yourself, your actual face. Because when you actually start recording yourself, so it doesn't just help you to improve your English fluency but also communication skill, such as body language, facial expressions, how you move your hands when you are talking to somebody, your eye contact, because of course eyes express a lot when you're talking to somebody. So if you start recording yourself, so you're gonna improve all of this. And again, you wanna learn English, you wanna be fluent in English, not for just sitting in a corner of your room. You wanna do something in your life, you wanna do something different in your life, you wanna get a good job, and to get a good job you have to appear for interviews as well. So you don't just need English but also communication skill. You should have a good command on communication skill if you wanna perform well. So if you really wanna perform well, so start recording yourself from today. Now I'm gonna explain it to you step by step on how you can do it effectively. First thing that you have to do is choose a topic. So all you have to do is you have to select a topic you are interested in, or you can speak about the things that has happened in your past, the incident that has happened in your life, or if you are a beginner or you just started learning English, so you can speak about the things that you did or whatever happened during the day. I mean, it could be anything, whatever is in your head, whatever you wanna speak about. Like it could be a topic related to your studies or work as well. It could be anything. And then take a few moments to gather your thoughts on whatever you have to speak about, because I very well understand that it's easier said than done. So if you want to take a few moments, you should take and think about the things which you have to speak, and then make sure that you are in a quiet environment where you won't be interrupted while recording. Okay, after that, start recording yourself. You all have phone, everybody has a phone, so switch on the camera of your phone and start speaking on the chosen topic as if you are having a conversation with someone. Try to speak naturally without pausing too much, and don't worry about making mistakes because the goal is to practice English speaking. After that, listen to your recording. After you are finished recording, watch and listen to it attentively. Pay attention on pronunciation, grammar and vocabulary uses. Make a list of whatever mistakes you notice, like incorrect grammar, pronunciation errors, vocabulary uses, and then correct them, and then practice them again and again, correcting those mistakes. And you have to focus more on pronunciation and grammar uses. Record again, record yourself again on the same topic and apply the correction you practiced, and try to speak even more fluent than before because you have already done it once. So by consistently recording yourself and analyzing your recordings, you will become more comfortable to this language and fluent in speaking. Sorry guys, actually when I was making videos, so I could not notice, and suddenly my father came, so I had to stop making video because it's very difficult for me to make video around him. He starts questioning me, that is why. So yeah, we were talking about how you can improve your English fluency and communication skill by recording yourself. So I hope I could help you somewhat, and I'll be back with new idea. And if you like this video, then let me know in the comment box. I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Till then, take care and goodbye.